Good morning students. Today we'll discuss how to make triangular pencil model. So already I made a model. For this I have taken height equal to 15 centimeter and the side equal to 5 centimeter. See, it is consist of a triangular pyramid or tetrahedron and a prism. Okay, so we can increase the height and we can increase the side. So let us start the net diagram of this triangular pencil model. As the side is 5 centimeters, so I have taken base, so 5 into 3, so that is 15 centimeter. So you have to take 15 centimeter as side. Length equal to 15 centimeter and breadth also, breadth that is the height of the pencil 15 centimeter. So this is 15 centimeter, and for this we have to take a chart paper, scale, pencil, compass and scissor, fevicol. So here this is 5 centimeter, this is 5 and this one 5. So here I have taken the dot here, and now here 15 centimeter. On this side 5 into 3, 15 centimeter. Here 5 and 10. Now this side you have to join. So this one 15 centimeter and this one 5, 5, 5. Now you can give me A, B, C, A dash, B dash, C dash, A dash. Now we'll join B dash. Now this one C dash. Now the border, and this one will join here, this side. Now though you have to fix the compass at 5 centimeter, as the side is 5 centimeter. So this one the 5. So at the bottom this is 1, and this side also 3. How to do 1, and here 2, 3. So now I'll join this one at the bottom 1 is there. Now border, so this is 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. This one the B, C, so this one A, it will come A. Now off side, this is also 5 centimeter. So here you have to join. So this is our, so this is O, 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 each 5 centimeter. You can take as much you like, no problem. Now the border, so border also our, so this is our. Now I'll cut the diagram. Of triangular pencil model. Now I have to fold the sides. I have to fold like this. So after cutting and folding, so you will find like this. See, it will go like this. Okay, this one the prism, but and this one the, it will fit here. So this way you can increase the height also. So this is the triangular pencil model. Okay, so I am pasting. After pasting I'll show you. So after pasting the all sides, so it will look like this. So it is a prism, but it outside is the tetrahedron type structure. So it is a triangular pencil model. It can be used for the mathematical project, science project and social science project. Thank you.